Hi, I'm Steve from Absolute Lifting and Safety. Today I want to talk to you about inspection and tagging of height safety equipment like this. In Australia, when working at heights, safety equipment needs to comply with Australian standards. So what is the definition of working at heights? Generally speaking, working at heights is anyone working 2 meters or above, or working at an elevated level where you are at risk of fall. In Australia, height safety equipment should be inspected every 6 months, or more frequently if subjected to severe conditions or high usage. All height safety and confined space equipment should have a current in-date certification tag like this one. Tags show the inspection record of who inspected the equipment, when it was performed, and the result. This ensures equipment compliance and safety for its users. According to Safe Work Australia, every year an average of 29 people still die from work-related falls, and many more are still being injured. So if you're a person that works at heights, always make sure your height safety equipment is tagged, fit for use and compliant before using it. At Absolute Lifting and Safety, we are specialists in performing inspections and testing of all height safety equipment, including harnesses, fall protection equipment, anchor points, static lines, ladder systems, rescue kits, and confined space equipment. Check out our website or give us a call on 07 3205 7000.